Yo, so if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out. Yo everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply the dynamic zoom and using, of course, the best way adjustment clip. Well, to start with, let's see the bases and mark the base in this clip. Okay, let's recheck it. There's no need for this one, nor these two. Next up, you need to put an adjustment clip, and let's make a dynamic zoom for this adjustment clip. Okay, cool. Now, if you are using a Mac, press on Option and drag the following for you to drag it on each marker. Let's see what we made with adjustment clips. Let's see what we made. Okay, this is the using adjustment clip and dynamic zoom for music videos or montages, for example. And of course, you can use the dynamic zoom to zoom in or zoom out as if you are fading it. And of course, as I said before in this video, that you can save your adjustment clip. For example, if you want a zoom in to be saved, you can save it and reuse it in any other project. But this is mainly how to do dynamic zoom. Okay, hope you found this useful. Check the channel and you might find another useful video. And if you want to support the channel by subscribing and leaving the like button. See you all next time.